To apportion Alabama using the Jefferson method, we'll start at the rounded quota. And it's the same as what's in the Hamilton method. So it's a formula, so we'll start with equal to INT, open parentheses, and then point at the standard quota. Close parentheses, and enter. Then we're ready to copy this down the page. Okay, we'll then sum this, formulas, auto sum, and we'll see once again we have assigned 166 seats, so we have 34 seats to assign. In the Jefferson method, then once we have the rounded quota, we find the modified divisor. So I'll create a column in E called the modified divisor. Shift the column width so that fits in there. Okay, and the formula for the modified divisor is going to be equal to population divided by, open parentheses, rounded quota plus 1. Okay, then I'll copy this down the page. And these are all the modified divisors, and I'm taking note at what the standard divisor is. It is 24,316.5. Now we want to choose the modified divisor that's closest to the standard divisor, so closest to 24,316. It appears that all these numbers are below that, so we want to sort these numbers again, minus the summaries. So I go to Data, Sort, and I want to sort by modified divisors, and I want the largest ones at the top, so I'm going to go from largest to smallest. So now what it's done is place the largest modified divisor at the top. So we know the first county to get a seat will be Winston County. So we have to create a modified divisor 2 for that first county. And it is similar. So it's equal to population divided by, open parentheses, rounded quota plus 2. Okay, now that modified divisor has replaced the modified divisor 1 for Winston County. Now again, we choose the one that's closest. So this is, now it's Morgan County. So I can copy this and paste it down. Okay, again, I'm looking for the one closest to, so it looks like it's Madison County. And now the closest one is Marshall. And I keep doing this until I've given away 34 seats. Okay, I'm taking note here. The largest number among these is 22,000. So as long as these are above 22,000, I'll continue to give away seats. Now there's a 22,700 here. So I'm doing this one at a time. Paying attention to which one is the largest modified divisor. Actually, now I'll take note that this 22,713 is not the largest one. The largest one is the 22,742 for Jefferson County. So I must create a modified divisor 3 for Jefferson County. Adjust the column width. For Jefferson County, I'll start with equal sign, point to population, divided by, open parentheses, rounded quota plus 3, close parentheses. So now this modified divisor 3, 21,984, has replaced modified divisor 2 for Jefferson County. So among these modified divisors, this one, these, and all the ones below in modified divisor column, I'm going to choose the largest one. which is now the 22,713. So I will copy this down the page. Okay, the largest one up here is 22,310. So I'm paying attention here. So I get something around 22,310. Okay, it looks like now the largest one is this 22,310. So Madison County gets a modified divisor 3. So now the largest one up here looks to be 21,984. Okay, so I will continue on. Now it appears that the largest one is this 21,984. So Jefferson County gets a modified divisor 4, which will be equal to population divided by parentheses rounded quota plus 4. Those parentheses. So now we're at 21,274. No, 21,833 is the largest one. Okay, so I'll continue here. That looks like 21,833 is so I'll copy this one, paste it there. Now the largest one up here, I believe, is the 21,274. How many do we have at this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 on my way to 34. So that's my 24th. 25th. Okay, now it appears this one is the largest one, so I go to modified divisor 5. It will be again equal to population divided by open parentheses rounded quota plus 5 close parentheses. 20,610. Actually, it looks like this one is actually larger now. So I'll copy there. Oops, I missed one. 20,998. That goes there. So let's count and see how many we have. There's 30 now, so there's 4 to go. So I'm looking for the largest one. So 20,610 is larger than that. Oops, looks like this is 20,741. So that's one of my 4. I'll miss this one. So that's 2, so I have 2 to go. I missed another one. So let's see, the largest one I have now appears to be this one. So I need a modified divisor 6. So equal to population divided by open parentheses rounded quota plus 6. So I have 1 left to assign. 20,512, is that the largest one? Nope, it's this one right here. So I copy this and paste here. Okay, now I'm ready to do my final apportionment. So I'll skip a column. My final apportionment is going to be a formula equal to the rounded quota plus COUNT, open parentheses, and then paint everything from modified divisor 2 to modified divisor 6. We'll then copy this down the page. Click below, go to formulas and auto sum. Oh, looks like I gave away one too many. 201. So the last one we assigned was, I believe, this one. So if I delete that one, now my total is 200. And the final thing I do is highlight the entire region, minus the totals, data, sort, choose county, and put these back in alphabetical order.